Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kombu Dashi. First, select high-quality dried kombu, looking for pieces with a white powdery substance, which indicates good umami. This simple broth forms the base for many Japanese recipes, adding a deep, savory flavor without being overpowering. It's incredibly versatile and a cornerstone of healthy cooking. Let's get started with the preparation steps. To prepare your kombu, gently wipe any surface dirt with a damp cloth. It's important not to wash off the white powdery substance, as this is where much of the umami resides. Next, cut your kombu into manageable pieces, typically around 4 to 6 inches in length. Then, place about 10 grams of kombu into 4 cups of cold water and let it soak for at least 30 minutes. This initial soak helps extract maximum flavor. Now, slowly heat the kombu and water over medium-low heat. The key is to bring it to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. Watch carefully and remove the kombu just before the water starts to boil, ideally when it reaches about 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Boiling the kombu can release bitterness. Once the kombu is out, strain your dashi through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a clear, pure broth. Once your kombu dashi is ready, you can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer preservation, consider freezing it in ice cube trays. It will keep well for up to 3 months. Dashi is perfect for miso soup, noodle broths, and simmering vegetables. It adds a subtle depth to countless dishes. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.